Hi, today we're going to take the unboxing review look at Spin Masters BAKUGAN Battle Planet Battle Brawlers Booster Pack. 10 Baku cards per pack. So, yeah, they say you could download the app. If you have an app phone, I guess you could do it for an Apple phone. If you have a Google phone, you're kind of out of luck. So Android users, you're F and A because this is BS for Android users. Bakugan Battle Planet, anime-wise, it's kind of garbage. It kind of went downhill. For the toy series, I guess the toys are somewhat okay. And what I mean by somewhat okay, I mean they look alright, but to play them, I guess okay. Because now, not only do you have cards that you play after you roll in battle, but you also have these Baku cores and stuff. Unfortunately, there's no way to get any more Baku cores. Like, they should have, like, a Baku core booster pack. Kind of like this. Like how this is just a Baku card pack. We just get, Bakugan cards in here. Maybe they should do it where you get Bakugan cards and some cores. Or maybe one where you just get cores only. Just like how this one you only get cards only. I don't know, maybe they should do something like that. It is nice that they add in a new faction finally. Diamond Bakugan, which is just translucent, clear white plastic. But they call it its own faction, the new faction Diamond, which is pretty good. Although, well, I haven't got, any new Bakugan Battle Planet Bakugans. They're kind of pricey. I think they're a little bit more pricey than the original Bakugans. And when I mean original, I mean original Bakugan, Bakugan, Battalion Surge, Bakugan, Bakutet, and, like the 50 million other Bakugans that came out before. I think there was like, what was it, like 5 or 7 different Bakugan series before Bakugan, left the air. And then, what was it, like 7, 10 years later, now they came out with Bakugan Battle Planet. I mean, Dan does not look like Dan from the original Bakugan and Battle Planet. Now, Drago, I know he looks different in all different forms, So I kind of give a pass on Drago for the Bakugan, but the anime is not that great. The app wasn't that great. They needed to add more things to the app. Toys look okay, but just way too pricey. I mean, like, one little Bakugan figure is like between 10 to 15 bucks. A 5-pack's weighing like about 30 bucks almost. I'm like, no way. No way for that price. I don't know why things like Pokemon and I guess Baku Planet puts their cards in boxes like this. I mean, these boxes are kind of stupid. I mean, the artwork looks nice on there, but when you try to open them up, yeah, you tear everything up. So, you can go to Bakugan.com and Spinmaster.com. Links down below in the description there. There is a little code here. I don't know if you can see it, but the code is 81015AZV, and that's going to be the code for Bakugan Battle Brawlers. And if you get the Resurgence pack, its code is going to be 90222AZV. So those are the codes, but of course you're going to know which one you're getting because it's going to tell you Battle Brawlers or Resurgent. So, yeah. So anyway, let's open it up and see what cards we got out here. Like I said, I hate how they do these anti-thief type of things. If you're going to do that, just put it in a big piece of plastic like a clamshell. I mean, come on, guys. Because this is just stupid. Not only is it wasting paper, but it's also takes up time. It's just... Or put like a little security tape on there. Like that little piece of plastic got that little metal strip in there. But if you want, the story goes beep, 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 beep. And you're like, oh man, I got caught stealing a pair of cards. You know what I'm talking about. those little type of magnetic strip things. Yeah. So the pad just looks kind of like probably more a Pokemon pad than a Yu-Gi-Oh pad. I don't know if you can tell this, but it is a little tear notch there. Wait, there, as you can see. But you can pretty much just get it to open up like this. So here's what the bed of cards look like, and it looks like you just grab them and tap them, kind of like how for Magic the Gathering or anything else like that, when you tap your mana. So kind of looks like that. Anyway, let's get on to the cards here. We got Counter, Aggressive, One Lightning, Flip, Chaos. So it stops, I guess, Flip Vent Aquas. So it stops Chaos and Pyrus. We got Counter, Chaos, Flip. So it stops Chaos, cost 0. Then we got Strength of Matsutor, cost 4, plus 8. Little fist symbol for Ventus. Prismatic Shield, cost 1, action, plus 200B, so battle points. Shadow Blade, cost 0, plus 2, little punch symbol. I guess that's supposed to be the new darkness symbol right there. Or maybe that's just a nothing symbol. But I'm guessing that's the darkness tribe. Testify, cost 0, action, minus 3, punch symbol. Recycle Booster, cost 3, minus 200 B points, turbo. If you have the most energy cards in play, return this card to your hand. Then we have Reflection Waves, cost 1, action, plus 1, I guess that's energy for each Chaos Bakugan on your team. And then we kind of have like this reverse hollow foil card here. As you can see how shiny it is on the outside. So we have Tochi, cost 9, it's hero for Aquas. When you play this, search your deck for an action card and reveal it. Then put it into your hand. Shuffle your deck. Copy the first action card you play each turn. Okay, and then we have kind of a hollow foil Repel Pyrus card here. Cost 0, and it just says flip for Ventus and stops Pyrus. So, not really sure if we got any good cards from this pack. I know the other pack we got way better cards that I think, in my opinion, but yeah, so that's what you get with the Bakugan Bell Planet Bell Brawlers Booster Pack from Spin Master. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment down there below. Alright, thanks, bye.